Hello, dear Libras. My name is Natalia. I am from the channel In God's Abundance, and this is your February reading for you, Libras. And let's get started, okay? I will be using the deck Healing with the Angels from Doreen Virtue, and I will also be using an additional oracle card from the deck of Barbara Mickel-John Free Sacred Sites, okay? So let's get started. I pulled for you three cards from the deck Oracle, I'm sorry, Angel, Healing with the Angels from Doreen Virtue. And the first card I got for Libra is card Romance. This card is a beautiful card. You see? And I will tell you more about this card. Romance. The angels are suggesting and helping you with your romantic wishes. Ask them to help you in your love life, then accept that help, okay? Uh, they have heard your prayers for romance, and they want you to know that they have granted those prayers, okay? So they will be cooperating with you in a special way to make you sure that this wish you had for romance, for true love, is going to happen. So maybe you will be feeling a need to drive to a certain place, and then there you will find a partner or someone who is your soulmate. This instincts, um, these feelings of urge to go somewhere, to meet with someone, you mustn't neglect it, because the angels are communicating with you through your instinct, okay? So maybe you would like to start, I don't know, a fitness course, or a course of self-help, self-healing, nutrition, maybe something like that. But you must know, you must take that course and go, 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 because romance is waiting for you and the angels will lead you in the right way, okay? This is a great card. So the next card you have is the card Your True Self is Coming to the Surface. This is this card. And you see the face on this card is more vivid than the rest of the body, because you are rising your true self. And the cards are falling down. Okay, let me say more about this card. Your true self, mighty, successful, intelligent, is coming to the surface in all its glory. Allow yourself so that others may notice your true point, because you inspire them and lift them. You are wonderful in so many ways. You are starting to believe in yourself and showing your true nature. Maybe sometimes you believe that you must hide your feelings from others, or even from yourself, but now you have come to a realization how joyful and attractive can you express your true self. So your angels are guiding you to respect your true feelings, and you must show them to others, okay? This is a wonderful card. In order for romance to happen in your life, you must show your true self, because by showing your true self, everyone will notice who you truly are, and then you will attract the person that is by your measurements, okay? If you pretend to be something you are not, then you will attract that kind of people, and you will never be happy, because the person that is coming into your life must be very, very I don't know, true like you, okay, so that you can be happy. So the third card I got for you, Libra, is the card Music. Now, music, this is a truly wonderful card, and let me say what the angels want you to know with this card. They are guiding you to be more in tune with music. The music will lift your spirit over the worries you have, and your thoughts will be in divine love. So add your life more music. When you are, I don't know, uh, dressing up or driving to work or doing something, just put some nice music, uplifting, soft, spiritual, whatever you like, to be heard in the background, okay? And sing. They encourage you to sing more and whistle, maybe. So maybe you are musically talented. Maybe you have felt in the last time to want to make music, or be a part of a musical, be a part of a singing choir, or just playing some instrument. Okay, so be sure to listen to these inner nudges, because they are from the angels and God. And clearly, you must have more music in your life, okay? So, the romance that is coming in your life, which you ask for, you must be true to yourself, because you are starting to shine in your true nature. So, that is very, very good. And in order to shine in your true nature, put on some music, okay? So, this expectation will really keep up with you, okay? And the additional card I have for you is from the Oracle deck. And this card is, let me see, Externstein. Huh. This is in Germany, and I hoped I pronounced that correctly. Externstein. This is some magical place. I will tell you more about this card, okay? This card, let me see. What does the book of Oracle cards say in this card? This card has three meanings, I want to tell you. One is about the past, one is about the present, and one is about the future, okay? So listen very carefully. This card's energy focus is liberation. So location is Lippe, Germany. And for the past, hear this out. Stop, you are drowning in murky waters and you need to be rescued. As long as you keep learning, evolving, and moving on your path, you will be supported. Externsteine is a place of great esoteric secrets, its true meaning baffling archaeologists. Perhaps you too have forgotten how to access your innate wisdom, so rising out of waters of uncertainty and pointing toward awakened consciousness. Are you willing to sacrifice the comfort of the old familiar story that has limited you in the past and be set free? Very nice. Limited beliefs in the past. You must start learning, 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 okay? Be positive. Your true self is coming to the surface. This card associated with this one. So very, very nice. The present situation of this card tells you, has a part of you been destroyed or taken away? Whether this refers to a former belief, have you changed your opinions to suit a partner or family member? Your position in the world, have you taken on a more subservient role in a relationship? Or a way of life, have you become more materialistic? Know that you are free to go back to what is true to your heart. You are the only power that you need. When you recognize this, your gifts of old will resurface. So maybe you have changed into a person that does not suit you anymore. You see, we always start acting when we are with people like they act, and we mostly forget on ourselves. But this is the time when your true self is floating out on the surface, and you must know that you only must be truly to yourself, not others. Others don't matter. Their opinions, their beliefs, their I don't know, dressing doesn't matter to you, okay? You are an individual, you are unique. God made you unique so that you can express yourself. But in order to express yourself, you must believe in God, because he is certainly saying, in the future meaning of this card, you are called upon to embrace the possibilities of magic and the occult, to be open to powers that may seem otherworldly or the stuff of fantasy such as telepathy, mediumship, shape-shifting, remote viewing, and lucid dreaming. To access this ability, start by focusing on the Rainbow Bridge to Asgard, home of the gods. Okay? You will be able to walk across the Rainbow Bridge to the realm of the enlightened ones, or you will be imprisoned by a narrow-minded outlook. Okay. So, will you be able to walk across the Rainbow Bridge? Will you be able to be true to yourself? To rise to the surface and have a great romance coming your way? Okay, this is a wonderful card. This card has an additional invocation, and the invocation I will do in another video, so I am recommending to you that you watch the other video, because the invocation is rather long, and you will need to repeat it after me. So the invocation is of Asgard. This is the god that is in Extersteine, this sacred place. Okay, to connect with it, so you will uplift the veil of being untrue, that you can rise to the surface and have lots of love and good things in your life, not being so I don't know, occupied by other people and their beliefs and blah blah blah. And you must certainly get some music more into your life. Okay, so see you and thank you. Goodbye.